Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you everything you need to know about Suzuki SV650 dashboard. I will go through every display function, how to change the settings. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the left hand side of the display. We have two buttons, select and adjust. So by pressing select, you can cycle through trip A, trip B, odometer, and something that is weird, that is like a light. So once you press select on this, you can change the brightness. I think it's still select, yeah, the brightness of the dashboard. So I like to keep it just a little below maximum, like this. So to accept it, you need to hold it for 2 seconds. Here you go. Probably the most requested would be to change the clock, basically. So you have to hold, select and adjust button at the same time. And as you can see, the lights are flashing. You can cycle through. Oh, this is select is changing the hours, and adjustment probably is changing minutes. Yes, that's true. And in order to, let's go back. I don't want to mess it up. Let's go back. You need to hold the two buttons at the same time, like this, to accept it. And that's it. If you want to, for example, reset trip A or trip B, you need to hold for 2 seconds select button. I don't want to do it, so I will skip that one. Okay, so what else do we have here? So you might ask how to change from kilometers to miles. I believe you need to be at the odometer, this one, and press select for 2 seconds. And here you go. You have the miles, and odometer is in miles as well. If you press it back for 2 seconds. Okay, now let's go through the right hand side of the screen. First, here is a range, how many kilometers or miles there is for next fill up. Let's change to trip B, and here is the average consumption, fuel consumption. It's displayed in liters per 100 kilometers. But if I want to change it, I can hold adjust button for 2 seconds. And now it's kilometers per liters. Of course, if we would be on miles mode, let's say, there would be probably MPG. Okay. And now let's go and press adjust once again. And we can see what's the voltage of the battery, and that's basically it. I usually keep it at this trip A and liters per 100 kilometers, and for on average, because I think this one is the fuel consumption current one that is not taking that up from trip A. What else do we have here? Of course, there we have how much fuel there is in the tank, and when it's low, this icon will start blinking. So that's the first mode. The second mode is it's less than 1.7 liter, I think, and it would start blinking as well, this line, as well as the icon. On the left hand side we have check engine, we have high beam, we have ABS, which will fade away after 10 kilometers per hour, I think, when we start riding. We have, of course, turn signals left and right. We have the gear indicator in two places. Of course, on the two places there is a net neutral. And of course, if there is an issue with, let's say, low oil or any other problem with, let's say, heating, etc., so this red one will start or blinking or will appear. Don't remember. And also there is emergency lights. I never used it yet. Oh yeah, this one. Oh no, I think the warning light would appear if something would be wrong with the engine. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you in the next one.